6. Got my Weet-Bix. Got the kettle boiling. I'm gonna just go back out in a second once that boils, but keep my voice down because my mother and Tim are still sleeping. Oh. There's a sunrise out there. We're too late for it. Instead, I'm going to watch some... Well, what am I watching? Have a guess what I'm watching. I like to watch some episodes of something while I'm having breakfast. If you've seen my daily vlog last year at this time of the morning, I was watching some old Simpsons episodes. Now I'm watching... Let me show you. Just turn on all of the things. Turn the Apple TV on, the television, the stereo. And actually, that's not what I'm watching. That's what I watched last night. A Field in England. Now that was a cool film. That was really cool. I highly recommend that movie if you... In fact, I made a community post about that on my community page. If you want to see a good film, the synopsis for that read something like, during the Civil War in 17th century England, a small group of deserters flee from a raging battle through an overgrown field. Then it says, this isn't the one I'm reading, this is the different one. It says something like, after consuming magic mushrooms, they went on a wild adventure or something like that. It was just very, very interesting film. I highly recommend it. This, A Field in England. Now, what I'm watching though, if I get to... Oops. Hear a lot of people complaining about this remote control for the Apple TV. I think it's kind of cool. I don't I don't like these big fat remotes. Like this is the better style. While this loads, that's going to take a while to load. I'm going to go and get that tea, I think. I'll just grab that cup of tea. Yeah, it's taking forever. Slow network here. Turn the light off. There you go. Alright, so what I'm watching, if I can get to it in time for this daily vlog, maybe I'll have to show you tomorrow. Watching Doctor Who. Yeah, Doctor Who. I'm not a science space geek at all, but I keep hearing about all of these Doctor Who's, like how good the new Doctor Who is and how good this is and that. So I went back in time and said to myself, well,